Oh, hey everybody, we're going to be doing a 9-volt battery. It still has some juice left. I ton tested it. I did try and clean the inside of this here with one of them Mr. Clean Magic pads, and it seems to work, but I just gave it a test run without the battery in, and yeah, it's kind of hard to see in there still. And I will be wrapping electrical tape around a couple times because I don't want the door blowing off here, because I got other ideas. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna do 9 minutes, and I don't give a fuck if it makes a big pop or bang either. Well, that was nice. It stinks pretty bad in here, and it's not really doing much. There's a little flame, but it's time to open it. Alright. Well, it flamed up, so I guess that's better than nothing, but I'm still fucking disappointed. I don't know if you can see out here, but we got snow. We got a dusting this morning sometime, and then some like 3 inches of snow the other day. So it's doing what it's supposed to do here. Otherwise, thanks for watching.